In the words of Dwight D. Eisenhower, the true soldier fights not because he hates what is in front of him, but because he loves what is behind him. This rings true for the American Army. Now, let's journey back to the dawn of this illustrious institution. It was a warm summer day, June 14, 1775, amidst the Revolutionary War, when the American Army was born. The Continental Congress appointed none other than George Washington as the first commander-in-chief. A man of valor and strategic brilliance, Washington was tasked with an uphill battle. The early army was plagued with challenges. Funds were scarce and manpower was meager. They were a ragtag group of patriots taking on the world's mightiest power. Yet, they were driven by a resolute spirit and an unwavering belief in their cause. They fought not for glory, but for their home, their freedom, their future. And thus, against all odds, the American Army was born, determined to protect what they loved. The American Army has always been a force of evolution, constantly adapting to the changing times. Let's take a step back in time and explore its transformative journey, beginning with the War of 1812. This conflict marked the first test of the nation's mettle after the Revolutionary War, with the American Army demonstrating its ability to stand against the might of the British Empire. Then came the Civil War, a turning point in the Army's history. The war not only pitted brother against brother, but also triggered a revolution in tactics and weaponry. Rifling and the Minier ball changed the face of warfare, making battles more deadly and leading to a shift from Napoleonic tactics to trench warfare. Following this, the late 19th to early 20th century was a period of significant reform and modernization in the American Army. As the world entered the era of World War I, the Army was faced with an unprecedented global conflict. The American Army, once again, rose to the occasion, embracing new technologies like tanks, aircraft, and machine guns, setting the stage for the mechanized warfare of the future. World War II saw the Army evolve further, with an emphasis on combined arms warfare, strategic bombing, and the use of intelligence. The introduction of nuclear weapons marked the dawn of a new era in warfare, and the American Army was at the forefront of this seismic shift. The Army's evolution, however, was not limited to technology and tactics. Over the years, it also underwent significant structural changes. From being a volunteer force during the War of 1812, it transitioned to conscription during the Civil War, and then to a large professional standing army by the time of World War II. Through countless battles and wars, the American Army has grown and evolved, becoming a symbol of strength and resilience. This journey of evolution is a testament to the Army's ability to adapt and overcome, to meet the challenges of a changing world head-on, and to stand as a beacon of hope and security for the nation it serves. In the modern era, the American Army continues to stand as a beacon of courage and dedication. As we look back at recent conflicts, we see the Army's pivotal role in the Vietnam War, the Gulf War, and the War on Terror. These were not just battles fought on foreign soils, but testaments to the Army's unyielding spirit, their unwavering commitment to safeguarding peace, and the sacrifices made in the pursuit of justice. In addition to their engagement in warfare, the American Army has also been a significant contributor to peacekeeping missions around the globe. They have stepped in wherever and whenever needed, providing humanitarian aid in the wake of natural disasters, civil unrest, and in regions ravaged by conflict. Their efforts have brought hope and stability to countless lives, embodying the true spirit of service. But it's not just their courage and dedication that set them apart. The modernization of the American Army has been a game changer. The advancements in technology and equipment have revolutionized the way they operate. From cutting-edge weaponry and robust armored vehicles to groundbreaking communication systems and advanced surveillance technologies, the American Army is continuously evolving, becoming more efficient and more effective in their mission. In the face of an ever-changing world, the American Army stands firm, adapting, growing, and always striving to be better. Today, the American Army remains steadfast, always ready to protect and serve. Throughout its history, the American Army has stood as a symbol of strength, courage, and dedication. We've journeyed from its birth, navigated through its evolution across pivotal historical events, and observed its undeniable influence in the modern era. This military force, with its undying spirit, has shaped and continues to shape the course of history. As we honor the past and look toward the future, the American Army continues to stand strong, embodying the spirit of the nation it serves.